In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export audio only in Clipchamp, step by step, so you can quickly save just the sound from your video projects without exporting the full video. This is perfect if you want to extract voiceovers, podcast audio, background music, or sound effects from a Clipchamp project. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Clipchamp in your browser or desktop app and sign into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, either create a new project or open an existing one where your video is already set up. If you're starting fresh, click on Create a New Video to open the editor. Next, you need to import the media that contains the audio you want to export. On the left-hand side, click on the Import Media button and select your video or audio file from your computer. Once the upload finishes, drag the media down onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. This step is important because Clipchamp only allows exporting content that's placed on the timeline. After your media is on the timeline, take a moment to make sure everything sounds exactly the way you want. You can trim the clip, split it, or remove unwanted sections so that only the audio you need remains. You can also adjust volume levels or add fades if necessary. Once you're happy with the audio, it's time to export it. Go to the top right corner of the editor and click on the Export button. A menu will appear showing different export options. Instead of choosing a video resolution, look for the Audio Only option. Click on Audio Only and make sure MP3 is selected as the format. This tells Clipchamp that you only want to export the sound, not the video. After selecting Audio Only MP3, Clipchamp will start processing your file. Depending on the length of your project, this may take a few seconds or a couple of minutes. Once the export is complete, the MP3 file will automatically download to your computer. You now have your audio-only file ready to use for podcasts, music uploads, voiceovers, or any other project you're working on. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully exported audio only in Clipchamp in just a few simple steps. If this video saved you time or helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.